Hey everyone, this is Lowell, and together with Song and Martin are submitting Theo as our entry for the Hedera Smart Contract Hackathon. There are major problems companies face when transferring funds securely without sharing any information about them. This is where Theo comes in. Theo is a seamless B2B transactions with privacy solutions using double hashing. We allow two parties to communicate and transfer funds in a secure and private manner. This is the tech stack that we use. And just to show you our framework, so what actually happens is that company A uses a Circle account to fund custodial A, store the receipt in IPFS, and transfer to non-custodial A, which in our case is Hashback, where A will be able to interact with the Theo smart contract. Theo allows the non-custodial A to send payment to non-custodial account B. Theo also provides developers the ability to connect with other wallets. Now for our product demonstration, here is Martin.
Hi, I'm Martin and I'm presenting the product demo for Theo, which is a platform to provide seamless business-to-business payments with a sense of privacy and security by using double hashing techniques. We eventually want to move further into using ZK snarks, zero knowledge proofs, but for now we're starting with double hashing. So the way that this would work is, as a business user, you would come to our website and you would be logged in. As you can see, we're logged in and we have a address already set up. What you can do then is you can use our platform as an on-ramp, so from fiat to Hedera via USDC. And what you can do is you can actually use the Circle API to transfer from your credit card to your Circle account any number of dollars. So here we'll just say that we'll add $15 to our Circle wallet, which already has 82. So we're going to submit that, and it's interacting with the Circle API currently. And once it loads, it'll provide us a payment ID. Also, what occurred is we sent an email to the email that we put in here that'll provide a receipt. And so when you go to your inbox, you'll see that you have a receipt that's actually hosted on IPFS. So you can always go onto IPFS, and even though here it might take a while for IPFS to load, that's why we've actually pulled up a separate one that we previously did, which shows the receipt PDF, and that PDF shows the date, the payment ID, and the amount that was sent. If you go back to the app and our Circle wallet balance is increased, as I mentioned, what you can then do is you can use our solution to be able to transfer from your business to another business in a little bit more of a private manner. So what we would do first is connecting with our Circle wallet. We would send a certain amount to a non-custodial address. So say in this case we want to send $20 from our Circle wallet to a non-custodial address. It just reduced from $20 here, and our own Hedera wallet balance is increased by $20, so it's at 85. What we can then do is we can interact with a smart contract that we will have on the Hedera platform. And what can be done here is interacting with that. You can set a transfer to occur. And so what that means is putting in place a secret phrase that will then be sent to the smart contract in a hash, and then that hash will be double hashed, and then that double hash will be mapped to an amount. Let's say we want that amount to be, again, $20, or let's just say $25. What we're going to do is we're going to send a transaction off, and you can see that the amount in our Hedera wallet decreased by $25, and the amount in a smart contract actually increased by $25. What we have here is a secret hash phrase, or a hash of our secret phrase. What you can then do is you can take this and you could pass it on to party B. Party B can then interact with the smart contract. They could pass in that hash phrase, which would then be double hashed in the smart contract. And then whoever calls that smart contract execute function with the hash phrase would then get the $25 back. So if we wanted to call it back to our own address, for example, we have the secret hash phrase input here. If we click send, you'll see that the smart contract balance decreases to 0 and our Hedera wallet balance increases by 25. So this has been the example of our product, and thank you very much for your time.